Hey everyone, welcome to the Athletic Edge podcast and today's episode, Fueling Performance, where we dive deep into strategies that optimize your athletic potential. My name is Amy Powers, owner and physical therapist at Powers Performance Physical Therapy, helping athletes push boundaries and perform at their peak. Whether you're an elite athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this podcast is all about giving you the knowledge to stay strong, healthy, and competitive. In today's episode, we're talking about something many athletes are curious about: supplements. Specifically, which ones are worth your time and money, especially when you're looking to maximize your performance, recovery, and overall health. Before we dive into specifics, let's talk about why supplements are important for athletes. While I always say that a well-balanced diet is key, sometimes our bodies need that extra push, whether to aid in muscle recovery, boost performance, or fill in the nutritional gaps that training demands can create. But here's the thing, not all supplements are created equal. There are a ton of options out there, and some may be overhyped or unnecessary for your goals. My goal today is to clear up the confusion and help you understand which ones truly have a place in your routine as an athlete. As a physical therapist who works directly with athletes, I can tell you firsthand that the right supplements, when combined with a structured training and recovery plan, can make a big difference. But it's important to know what to look for and, just as importantly, what to avoid. So let's break down the essentials. I've narrowed it down to my top 5 supplements that I believe are beneficial for most athletes. Of course, we always encourage you to consult with your trusted healthcare provider or sports nutritionist to make sure they're the right fit for you. First would be protein powder, whey or plant-based. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, especially if you're strength training or involved in endurance sports. If you're not getting enough from your diet, a good quality protein powder is one of the most effective and convenient ways to meet your needs. It's important because it helps with muscle recovery and growth, reduces muscle soreness, and supports overall performance. You should opt for a high-quality, low-sugar option. Whey protein is popular because of its fast absorption, but plant-based options can be just as effective for those with dietary restrictions. The second supplement would be creatine monohydrate. This is one of the most well-researched supplements out there, and it's great for athletes who need power and strength. It's important because it helps your muscles produce more energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. Stick with creatine monohydrate as it's the most studied and proven form of creatine. The third supplement would be omega-3 fatty acids, fish oil. Omega-3s aren't just for heart health. They play a critical role in reducing inflammation, which is crucial for recovery and overall joint health. It's important because it helps reduce muscle soreness, promotes recovery, and supports joint and heart health. You should look for a high-quality fish oil supplement that contains both EPA and DHA. The fourth supplement would be vitamin D. Many athletes, especially those training indoors or in regions with little sunlight, are deficient in vitamin D. This vitamin is vital for bone health, immune function, and even muscle performance. It's important because it supports bone strength, immune function, and helps prevent injury. You should get your levels checked and supplement if needed. A simple blood kit test can determine if you're deficient. The fifth supplement would be magnesium. Magnesium is often overlooked, but it's incredibly important for muscle function, relaxation, and recovery. It helps prevent muscle cramps, aids in relaxation, and improves sleep, all of which are critical for recovery. Consider magnesium glycinate or citrate for better absorption, especially if you have trouble sleeping or experience frequent muscle cramps. Now, as a physical therapist with a cash-based practice, I often get asked, why should I trust a PT with supplement advice? It's a great question, and the answer is pretty straightforward. As someone who works directly with athletes to improve their performance and recovery, and as an elite athlete myself, I've seen firsthand how proper nutrition and supplementation fit into a holistic training plan. In my practice, I don't just treat injuries, I focus on prevention, performance optimization, and recovery. I have extensive personal and professional experience and collaborate with nutritionists and sports scientists to provide evidence-based advice on what can actually help my clients. When athletes know I'm committed to their entire well-being, not just their injury, it builds trust and authority in the relationship. In a cash-based model of clinical practice, it's crucial that I show my clients that I'm not just another service provider. I'm a partner in their athletic journey. When you can guide them on areas like supplementation, recovery strategies, and injury prevention, you create a deeper connection that keeps them coming back. So to recap, here are the top 5 supplements I recommend for most athletes. First, protein powder for muscle recovery. Second, creatine monohydrate for strength and power. Third, omega-3 fatty acids for inflammation and joint health. Fourth, vitamin D for bone health and immune function. Fifth, magnesium for muscle relaxation and sleep. Remember, supplements should be just that, supplemental to a balanced diet and a solid training program. Before starting any new supplements, always consult with a healthcare professional to make sure it's right for you. If you'd like this full lineup with a discount through our trusted supplement provider, Thorne Health, just hop on our Instagram page and click the link in our bio. Thorne has been our source for NSF-certified, USA-made, third-party tested supplements for our personal use and all our athletes. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Fueling Performance. If you found value in this, please share it with your friends or fellow athletes. And if you're interested in working with me or learning more about my cash-based physical therapy services, you can find me at www.powersperformancept.net. Keep training smart, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for listening to Fueling Performance. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and follow us for more insights on optimizing your athletic performance. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and taking care of your body.